Good morning. Today is the 7th of October 2024 and we are pre-market, pre-London Open. Let's have a look at what Nasdaq may have in store for us. We are looking at the weekly chart here. Last week has taken external range liquidity in the form of the high here and traded back down into the internal range liquidity, this fair value gap, and then bouncing back up on Friday. Now, what can we expect from the market? If we look here, going from internal range liquidity back up to external range liquidity in the form of last week's high. Then yeah, we have a bullish bias. To go to the 4-hour chart now. On the 4-hour chart, we see that we have a market structure shift. And if we look here, price traded up to this market structure shift, this candle dropping down into this 4-hour breaker block and continuing. Now, where did the price stop here? It stopped in this 4-hour bearish breaker block, bearish order block, sorry. Now, we have also last week's New York AM high here. You see that price tapped into that and went down, retraced down. If we are to draw an impulse range from this low to this high, we see that we have OT around where the structure has broken. So what I'm looking for price to do is to trade down around this 4-hour breaker, side OT around here, and then go back up to the external range liquidity at 2332, 33. Let's look on the 15 minutes chart. On the 15 minutes chart, 15 minutes chart, there we go. On the 15 minute chart, we see that we have a series of fair value gaps, bullish fair value gaps. Now, if we are to look at the fair value gaps here, we have a market structure shift here. We have that 4-hour bullish breaker. So if we look also at the range, we have 50% of the range around here. So I'm thinking that price will trade down into this fair value gap around here before moving back up. Now we do have a lot of liquidity, time-based liquidity lower. We have all the previous week Fridays, New York AM low, London low, Asia low. We have the Friday low. So a lot of liquidity, time-based liquidity. So what would make me change my bias would be if price trades below the low here, something like it comes back into this, it goes something like so, creates bearish order flow, takes this, but at least for now I'm bullish. I'm also looking at at this indicator, it's a volume indicator, we see that we have a lot of confluence here at these levels. So let's see what happens. So all in all, price try to trade to the levels here around optimal trade entry of this range, and then we look for confirmation, either to go up, or if that gets invalidated, we can look for lower prices. And that's it for now.